I'm Camilla. I make videos about travel and geography. I post videos that I call zooming in on, where I talk about a certain country and I use Google Earth to show the country and tell about it. I really like making the videos because I learn a lot from it. And I want to inspire people to see the good in every country, to seeing the good in the whole world. I also like trying new things, so here I'm going to try a new thing. So in this video, I'm going to compare two countries. That was actually an idea that one of you gave me, so thank you so much for that. So I will try it out and tell me if you like it, and also tell me if you don't like it, because I'm interested to know. This will be just a small comparison. I could probably say much more, but I'm just going to keep it short. So today we're comparing Azerbaijan and Turkmenistan. Hello, I'm Azerbaijan. Oh, hey, I'm Turkmenistan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Azerbaijan, I don't know much about you. Can you tell me a bit more about yourself? Sure. Well, I lie in Western Asia. I border Russia, Georgia, Armenia, Iran, and I also have a small land border with Turkey. And my capital city is Baku. Also, I have the Caspian Sea to my east. You too border the Caspian Sea? Yeah, me too. I also lie in Asia. I border Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, and Iran. So I guess we both border Iran. And yeah, I have the Caspian Sea to my west, so we're pretty close to each other. And my capital city is Ashgabat. Cool. And you're bigger than me, aren't you? I think so. I have 488,000 square kilometers. You? About 86,000. So yeah, I'm smaller in area. What is your population size? About 10 million? Ah, okay. I have about 6 million people. What languages do your people speak? We mostly speak Azerbaijani. You? Turkmen, but also some other languages like Russian. Ah, okay. So what is your country like nature-wise? Oh, we have desert. We have the Karakum Desert that covers a big portion. But we have rivers such as the Amur Darya that bring water, making the land greener. How about you, Azerbaijan? In the center of the country, we have flatlands, but to the north and west, we have the Greater and Lesser Caucasus Mountains. And in the far southeast, we have the Talish Mountains. So we have elevation differences, and it's one of the reasons we have a lot of different climate zones too. Oh yeah? Yeah, so it can get super cold here. The minimum temperature recorded here was minus 33 degrees Celsius. But the highest recorded temperature was 46 degrees Celsius. So it gets super hot here too. Whoa, that is impressive. Well, the highest official temperature recorded here was 50.1 degrees Celsius. So I know what you mean by high temperatures. And the Karakum Desert is one of the driest deserts in the world. So when people come visit you, what can you recommend? Oh, definitely the Darvaza gas crater. It is like this hole that is constantly burning. It is so cool to see. And it is so hot there. You must see it. Whoa, that looks amazing. If I visit you, I will definitely take a look there. We also have a cool landscape. We have mud volcanoes. Mud volcanoes? Yeah, mud volcanoes. So there is gas under the surface that wants to get out, and in eruptions, the gas gets out together with mud. Here are some pictures. It looks really cool, doesn't it? That looks really cool. I feel like I know you much better now, Azerbaijan. Can you tell me more? Yeah, so my favorite sport is football. I also like football. I also enjoy chess and wrestling. And our currency is manat. Really, manat? Yeah, well, us too. The Turkmenistani manat. Cool. Well, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna make me some dolma, rice with lamb and spices, wrapped in vine leaves. What do you like to eat? Ooh, I also like rice with meat and spices. In Turkmenistan, we like to eat pilaf, like many other Asian countries. Here I brought a picture. That looks good. Well, it was so nice to meet you. I'm hungry now. Bye. Bye.